Welcome to the channel. You're now watching Twisted TV.
Stranger danger. We have some creepy, not to mention strange and unusual behavior in this clip. Be aware of this person if you're in the area. He knocks on this homeowner's door at 4 in the morning. He then lurked around their car and property for about 10 minutes before dogs scared him away.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Malicious intent or perhaps a mental illness? You be the judge, and as usual, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks. Criminal mischief in this one. We have a troublemaker busting a window at 11:35 at night for no reason. Anyone know this person or the car? If so, please help homeowners and contact local authorities. Thanks.
Haven't you ever heard of knocking?
Peeping Tom creeping on private property. Anyone recognize this creep? This happened near Little Rock's central area. Keep an eye out for this sicko and always stay vigilant, my friends.
I just came to see if you needed anything before you retire. A cup of warm milk, perhaps?
Porch pirate. We have another porch pirate out and about doing what porch pirates do. They stole this homeowner's wedding supplies. Turn those notifications on and keep an eye on your Amazon packages.
Second thought, just send up a bottle of scotch and a straw.
Damn, these guys are fast. Keep an eye on your packages. Only took about 5 seconds.
Cheery.
This person walked on this porch looking for an extra key under the doormat. Talk about terrifying to say the least. Don't ever leave a key under your doormat these days. Be aware. Police were called and a report has been filed.
Haven't you ever heard of knocking?
We have a man attempting to steal what looks like junk from this property. Keep an eye on even your junk these days. Let's watch as the homeowner confronts this guy and scares him off.
Hey, what's up, fam? Hey, yo! What you doing? What?
Got this junk right here.
You say what? No,
Junk right
man,
here.
put my stuff back, fam.
Arr, ye dogs, we've come for your booty. Oh, no, please, Mr. Big Bad Pirate, please don't pillage my booty.
Stolen property. Right when you think you know you neighbors. These are the first ones to be vigilant of these days. Let's watch this neighbor steal this homeowner's property. Talk about absolutely ridiculous. Keep an eye on your property, and especially your neighbors.
Zuzu? Zuzu, is that you?
Stolen ring cam. Right when you think you can't get any dumber, we have an idiot stealing a ring cam. Yes, a ring cam. Did you forget it's a camera? Do you not realize the homeowner is still going to have the footage up until you yank it from its connection? Ridiculous, not to mention idiotic. What the hell is wrong with the world these days? And what won't people steal? We honestly can't say anything we see surprises us anymore. Apparently keep an eye on even your ring cams.
May I help you? May I help you? May I help you?
Geez, you'd think you would have learned by now.
Some more stranger danger in this last clip. We have this stranger trying to open the front door to private property. Homeowners said they arrived 3 minutes after he showed up. Let's watch this shameful behavior as he is seen walking out of the backyard carrying a box of stolen items saying he is a dog walker. What a chooch. We at Twisted TV are sure this person is a lot of things as well as a dog walking thief. Keep an eye out for thieves walking their dogs. Or in this case, walking a dog without actually walking a dog. I mean, did you forget the dog at home, along with your brain? Homeowners did not include the second clip of him leaving with a box of items. Stay safe out there, my friends, and always be vigilant. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please show your support and consider punching that like, share, and subscribe button in the face. In doing so, you won't miss out on new content uploaded weekly, most times daily. Hit that subscribe button now to join the family and be part of the Twisted TV crew today. Keep it classy, stay safe, and always be vigilant, my friends. Until next time, thanks for watching.